Hello YouTube, this is Dr. O, and today I want to show you how to create a studio setup like Marques Brownlee's in virtual reality. In addition, I'm going to briefly walk you through how I set this up in Unity so that you can easily create your own. Now, what you're seeing here is a copy of Marques Brownlee's studio when he reviewed the Samsung gaming monitor. As you can see, the lighting and rune setup are virtually the same, pun intended, as Mr. Brownlee's, and I have replicated the monitor system that he showed. In addition, I added his avatar, and there is a virtual web camera above the monitor that gives us a view of the avatar and the room. However, this isn't the only studio that I built. I also created a replica of the room he uses for interviewing guests, complete with acoustic padding, lighting, and seating. Fortunately, one of the benefits of virtual reality is that all of this can be created for relatively no cost by using off-the-shelf assets in Unity. Next, I want to show you the Unity environment itself and explain a few of the key components that you might need to create your own setup. Let's start with lighting. Each of the lights you can see in this scene is a point light. Each light has a specific range and color, which you will likely need to adjust to get your environment lit the way you want it. For example, the lights in the lower left have a range of about 3 to 5, and the color is set to purple. In addition, there are a few spotlights that highlight specific parts of the scene, like facial geometry. Two more significant assets that you might use are an avatar and embedded videos. This avatar was made by Ready Player Me, and the model is set to be controlled by the Vive Pro Eye's head position. The monitor on the right is simply a curved plane that I made in Blender, and I have attached a video of Rocket League using the video player component. The second scene also has two room cameras, which make use of render textures. Each triangle and polygon panel in the room were also made in Blender, which I made by subdividing and editing the default cube model. I'll include links to several tutorials below for the important components in the scene. Feel free to leave any other questions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.